called? Clear Lake, Becker.
Well, if I could get these dry.
Break that fucking chair, boy. Your name is shit.
Well, I'll give you one of Jim's.
Okay. He's got my rain suit.
Giving away your chair.
Because I take care of your stuff. I don't go and fucking rip it all apart and throw it around. I got stuff that is nice and dry. Look, just leave your boots out.
I threw them overboard next time you go out.
How did you get that wet inside?
We were back here. Rain in the rain.
He was collecting water.
Instead of on my feet where they belong. We're just switching around, huh? Yeah, it's blowing up on the truck now.
What time is the fish
I
coming?
don't know how I can dry my backside and the front side.
Who's frying the fish?
Rotate and put you on the sister. Nobody yet. We're busy drying.
What happened to our because the wind came up and it blew the steak over, huh?
Blowing the tarp up.
Yeah.
How's this coffee? Is it any good?
No, you don't want any, Dan.
Hey, these stoves are still on, you know.
Well, we're going to cook on them.
We're trying to warm up the tent.
Did you wet? Your pants, well, they don't leak anyway, do they? Yeah, but that was from your coat hanging up over.
Huh?
Percolated coffee?
Yeah.
Thanks, man. Good job.
Sure. I think it was a combination of the...
We're gonna need
Charcoal
some
lighter
more coal and fuel in the stove pretty soon.
gas scared me.
Lighter fluid if you want. Take that.
What did you guys plan for the
Yeah, I
menu?
only...
Here, that's just blowing off the trees.
Yep.
One of those two options. Yeah.
Why?
Yes.
Yes. You are correct, sir. Plate for that, huh?
You know the bank that you got it from?
Towel, paper towels, maybe?
I got this one.
We're all playing here. Maybe I should get your data.
I mean, I don't think it's asking a lot.
It's a little hard.
Gonna have some sushi.
Well, when do you guys get one while I got this camera on?
Yeah, we'll try.
see that moose come walking down this hill again.
Just, you can leave it out of the case and just tuck it underneath the console.
I'm going to. Nice weather this morning. It looks like the rod isn't even bending.
Oh,
That's the kind you catch it.
must be. That's good. Somebody's got to get those out of the way. Is he using crappie jigs?
Did he hold it up for me?
Trophy shot, trophy shot.
Oh boy.
Yeah.
Very good.
He's a man. You watch so you don't get the line in his mouth. That's how you take off little northerns that you don't want to touch. You just splash them around.
Snow.
Mark got one too? Daily double. Mark's got one on too.
That's a nice fish.
Yeah, that was all right. Get him up by the surface so I can see him.
Here he comes. About a 4-pounder, I think.
Yeah.
3.5. Look at him.
Oh, he is a nice fish.
Oh, Jeff. You think a trophy?
Nice one. Oh, he's a dandy. He's a keeper.
Are you filming?
Yeah, I got him. Think you can lift him out, or do you want him
No, I
there?
think we better land this here. Over here. Here. Thank you, sir.
Oh yeah, he's a nice one.
Got to be 3, I would say.
Yeah.
Now, my hands are all fish line. Maybe Dave should take a picture of it. Yeah.
Yeah.
I caught something like a while.
Put him on the stringer and then pull that stringer out. Let's see what we got there for this morning.
Almost as big as yours from this morning, Dave.
Just about. Yeah, all right. Got him. Now the battery's going dead.
Okay.
Great.
You guys, we're the game board.
Well, we don't have over our limit.
Games. Don't worry about us.
No game, guys.
There's no games going on here. How you guys doing?
That's a wet ride. Nothing. Too much. Some bass, some northern.
We got some nice walrus. Nice northern?
Right in here, huh? Well, I see we gotta start sitting. All we do is whack him.
Expect not to catch anything. So it was right after he left? Right after he left. Maybe they think that the boat that was here left or something. I think it's the prop watch. Because I noticed when he left the
His swirl moved all the way through.
Getting from both sides. That's right where they are. We were catching them right below the boat, and now the boat's moved a little bit. Boy, boat's really moved. What the heck's going on with your anchor down there? Told you what happened.
Peter caught.
Trying to steer the boat out of the mud here.
Say what? Crunch.
There's a landing. Well, that's a landing.
I'm having a little hard time getting the fire going. We're out of lighter fluid.
Boat gas.
I wouldn't pour the boat gas on them poles there.
Well,
Stand back.
we just gotta take the old shit out of here.
You only need about
You guys got a few. There are a couple nice ones there, huh?
you only need about a quarter inch in a cup and it goes.
Lift that stringer up, Jim.
Why, I caught him.
You caught them all.
I hate to say it, but I lost the biggest one this morning.
You lost a nice one.
Yeah, there's a fish story.
Let me zoom in on it quick. The battery's flashing
Why
up.
we come to Canada?
Gotta change batteries. Yeah, there's some nice ones.